So today's the day. We finally get to install Verizon 5G. Just want to walk you guys through what's in the box here. If I can get it open. One second. So it looks like we have our modem router. So we have a couple LEDs here. Looks like battery, must have a built-in battery, 5G, 4G, and Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at the back. So what connections we have. We have an on-off switch, we have power, we have a reset, we have our Ethernet plugins, we have our phone. Maybe they're gonna have some sort of phone service soon. And then we're gonna have our internet coming in there. It's pretty much the system. Let's see if we can get it hooked up and see what kind of service we get. Waiting for it to power on here. We have a couple lights. As you can see, we got the 4G, the battery must be charging, the power is kicking on. .4G, the light indicator changed colors. So you can see better there. Still waiting on that 5G signal. We got a couple different icons on now. We have the Wi-Fi connected, and the 5G is sort of an amber color. There we go, just kicked on to green, so let's go give it a try. Test here, just going to fast.com. Pretty good speeds so far. Looks like it's hovering around 640, 650. Gonna get to 700, there's 700. There we go, we'll show more information to see what our upload and latency is. Takes a while to load, but 35 milliseconds, not the best ping. And our upload speed's pretty decent as well, 100 megabytes per second.